Hello and welcome back to the channel Learn and Practice. As you all know, this is the May current affairs show. There will be a number of one-liner questions. So try to give answers in chat box and match with the correct answer. At last, calculate your score and write it down in chat box or comment box so that you can compare with the others. Now, let's start with the first question. In where Indian Navy's first full-fledged service selection board opened? What will be the answer? The answer is Kolkata, that is in West Bengal. Next, Paytm in association with blank launched its first credit card, Paytm First Card. So the answer is Citibank. Next, Doordarshan has launched an online souvenir store for its viewer in partnership with blank. The answer is Amazon India. Next, which Indian woman has become first ever female ICC International Panel of Match Referees? So the answer is G.S. Lakshmi. Come to the next question. Which Indian airport ranked the world's 8th best airport? So what is the name of that airport? The answer is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, that is in Hyderabad. Come to the next question. Who has been appointed as the new president of the United Nations General Assembly? The answer is Tijjani Muhammad Bande. Who will be appointed as the Indian men football team coach? The answer is Igor Stimac. World's first exclusive women's cricket magazine released. What is the name of that magazine? The name of that magazine is Crick Zone. Who won Spanish Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton. Which startup launched India's first UPI Vahi Khata for purchased? The answer is Bharat Pay. Which country has become second country to declare climate emergency? So name of that country is Ireland. Come to the next question. Which flight carrier operated world's first zero waste flight? So the answer is Australian flight carrier Qantas. Facebook has chosen which city as the center for WhatsApp payment? The name of the city is London. Which industry acquired British toy retailer Hamleys in an all-cash deal? The answer is Reliance Industries Limited. Next, which state police has inducted first anti-Naxal women commando unit? The name of the state is Chhattisgarh Police. Recently, which state assembly passed act to allow shops and other businesses remain open 24/7 hours? So the answer is Gujarat. A 18-year-old Nepali girl danced continuously for 126 hours to set a Guinness World Records on longest dancing marathon by an individual. What is name of that girl? The answer is Vandana. Next. Who has been conferred with V.K. Krishna Menon Award? The answer is G.D. Robert Govender. Myntra appointed which celebrity couple as its brand ambassadors? The answer is Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake in Sharma. Next. What was the theme of World Asthma Day 2019? The answer is Stop for Asthma. Who released his autobiography titled Game Changer? The answer is Shahid Afridi. Next. Which has become the first operator to start optical fiber-based high-speed broadband service in Pulwama with the launch of Bharat Fiber? The answer is BSNL. Next. Which city police has launched an all-women police patrol unit running a Pakka force? The answer is Mangaluru City Police. Come to the next question. Which company overtook Apple to become second biggest smartphones maker? So, the answer is Huawei. Who was conferred with France's highest civilian honor? The answer is former ISRO chairman A.S. Kiran Kumar. BSE has appointed its first independent woman director. Who is she? What happens? Responses are very low. Answer the questions very fast. And also share the video with the others. So the competition will be also high. Now the answer is Jayashree Vyas. Next. LIC HFL has launched Uttam Center in where? So the name of the place is Bengaluru. Next. Who became the world's first woman to cross the Atlantic Ocean solo in a light sports aircraft? The answer is Aruhi Pandit. Next. Which country will host 2023 Asian Cup football tournament? The answer is China. In Asia, which country has become the first country to legalize same-sex marriage? The answer is Taiwan. IBM India has tied up with which insurance company to co-create AI-based automation solution? AI means artificial intelligence. So the answer is HDFC Argo General Insurance Company. According to the Geological Survey of India, which state has the highest graphite reserves? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction conferred Sasakawa Award 2019 for disaster risk reduction to whom? The answer is Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra. BSNL partnered with blank to expand its Wi-Fi footprint across the country. The answer is Google. Who is the present Defense Minister of India? The answer is Rajnath Singh. Next. Here is the name of some important cabinet ministers. Please go through this. Home Affairs Minister is Amit Shah. External Affairs Minister Subramanian Jaishankar. Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitaram. Road Transport and Highways and MSME Nitin Gadkari. Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Rural Development, then Panchayati Raj is Narendra Singh Tomar, then Human Research Development Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Women and Child Development and Textiles Smriti Irani, Railways, Commerce and Industries Piyush Goyal, Health and Family Welfare and Science and Technology, then Arts Science. The minister is Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Then Minority Affairs Minister is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Next. According to FICCI, what is the GDP growth of India for financial year 2020? The answer is 7.1%. Who own $1 million global book prize 9 dots? The answer is Indian writer N.E. Jaidi. Who is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? The answer is Jagan Reddy. RBI has extended timings for RTGC from 4:30 p.m. to blank p.m. So the time is 6 p.m. Who has sworn in as Australia's Prime Minister? The answer is Scott Morrison. In the IMD World Competitiveness Ranking, India ranked at which position? The answer is 43rd. Recently, which bank has launched Bank on Wheels facility? The answer is Indian Overseas Bank. Who has sworn in as Sikkim Chief Minister? The answer is P.S. Gole. Which bank has launched Corp SME Suvidha for MSME? The answer is Corporation Bank. Which bank has signed an agreement to provide $750 million loan to India for railway track electrification? So what will be the answer? The answer is ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. Which has overtaken Tata Group to emerge as India's most valuable? The answer is HDFC Group. India ranked 117 in the Kids' Right Index 2019. Which country secured the top position? The answer is Iceland. In where 5th Smart Cities Indian 2019 Expo inaugurated? The answer is New Delhi. Who will be conferred with Japan's second highest national award, Order of the Rising Sun, Gold and Silver Star? The answer is Sham Saran. Facebook has apparently formed a new financial tech firm, that is Libra Networks LLC, in where? What will be the answer? The answer is Geneva, that is in Switzerland. Who has become the first black African woman to scale Mount Everest? The answer is Sarai Kumalu. Sorry for the pronunciation. Next. Who has acknowledged as the most viewed stand-up comedian in India and abroad by the World Book of Records, London? The answer is comedian actor Kapil Sharma. Which company has become the biggest Indian company by revenue? The answer is Reliance Industries. Next. Which Indian film has won the third prize in the international section of Nespresso Talents 2019? What will be the answer? The answer is Achyutanand Dwivedi's film Sheet Mother. Which state has become the first state to tap into masala bond market? The answer is Kerala. That's all for today. I hope you all will like this video. If you are a new viewer, then subscribe the channel so that you will get notification after uploading every video. Thank you for watching.